Welcome back. We're finishing up on week 4 here on the Talon Golf Course and getting ready to open up on June 18th. We want to go over real quick what to expect come opening day. Yes, this golf course went through some severe cultural practices. So the course kind of went through some surgery, and there's still some healing up that needs to go on the fairways, greens, a little bit on the tees. Tees are actually pretty good, pretty solid, but there's a few blemishes here and there on the fairways and roughs, and of course some of the greens. With this aggressive aerification and verticutting that we perform on these fairways and greens, it takes a little bit of time to heal up, longer than 4 weeks. This 4-week closure was more like a 3-week closure. That's because this past week it has rained nonstop. I think it's safe to say the rainy season is officially here in Southwest Florida. As we're recording, we've received 6.5 inches of rain in the past week. It has rained literally every single day. So with those wet conditions, our team has had a hard time getting out there and getting cuts properly. So our fairways and our roughs, we definitely want to be at a lower height of cut than where we are right now. But because we haven't mowed as frequently as we wanted to, we're a little bit behind on our cuts. So not to worry, we will catch up to that and slowly drop the heights of cut on the fairways and roughs as we go through the summer. The greens are filling in pretty nice. There's still a little bit of blemishes and some bumps from the aerification holes. We are aware of that, and with time, this will get better and better, and speeds will continue to improve on this Talon golf course. Like I mentioned, with all that rainfall, our team kind of got behind on some of the detailed tasks that we want to complete on this last week. We understand there's a couple weeds in some of the beds and things like that, some edge work that we're behind on. So we're catching up on these next 2 days and hopefully get everything wrapped up. Will there still be some details out there that we're missing? Absolutely. That's not our intention. That's just the nature of the beast. During these closures, we need to understand that the primary focus is to get these cultural practices completed, because in the long run, this is going to do a lot better for the golf course, especially if we have a harsh winter. One practice we perform that I don't think has been done here on the Talon is a root prune. This is a machine that goes around all the live oaks and root prunes those roots to help give the turf grass a chance. See, contrary to what you may believe, the canopy of a live oak is not the extension of the roots. The roots go far beyond that canopy of a live oak. The live oak roots compete with the turf grass as far as moisture and nutrients go. By root pruning, you give the turf grass a chance around these live oaks to survive. I love doing this practice because you can really tell the difference in the wintertime when you'll see a browner area and you'll see the exact line that the root pruner went across, and it'll be green on the other side where it was root pruned. It's quite remarkable. A lot of people think that maybe we put some type of Roundup or we fertilized more on the side outside the live oak. That's not the case. It's simply because that live oak is taking up so much nutrients and water from that turf grass, and it's just a stronger root system that it outcompetes the turf grass every time. Now, I've been through a couple hurricanes myself on the golf course, and I can tell you I haven't seen any difference between live oaks that were root pruned and live oaks that weren't root pruned, whether they tipped or not. The Eagle course is getting ready to shut down and start its round of cultural practices. We got a few things that are different going on over there. We'll be sure to keep you updated. So if you're able to, come out and play June 18th on the Talon Golf Course. We'll be glad to have you out here. I think you're getting a little tired, so let's wrap it up. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care now. Bye.